Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm starting a new series on the channel. I'm gonna teach you guys how to play chess or try to teach you guys how to play chess. So first of all, the chess board is divided into 8 by 8 squares, so 64 squares in total. The vertical squares are called the files. The horizontal is called the ranks. So the files are counted by A, B, C, D, and so on. So you get the A file, the B file, C file, yeah, like that. And then the ranks, I'm doing this backwards. You get rank 8, rank 7, yeah, and so on, so on. What, so the white pieces always start on rank 2 and rank 1, and the black pieces always start on rank 7 and rank 8. So yeah, there you go. So let me just set up the board for the to teach you the movements. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up guys? We back, so let's get straight into it. So first of all, we have the pawn. So the pawn is worth 1 point. He can either move up 2 or 1 space for his first move. So this guy can move 2 spaces since he was on rank 2. Then this guy moves 2 spaces. So let's imagine there's an imaginary piece over here right in front of him. He can't take that piece because a pawn can only capture diagonally. He can't move backwards like this either. So yeah, so we can't capture this piece because it's our own teammate. That would be quite dumb. And then so we can capture this piece, and then yeah, if the pawn gets to the end of the board, he gets promoted. He can either be promoted into a queen, a bishop, a rook, or horsey. Um, then yeah. So yeah, then we got the knight and the bishop. So a knight can move only in an L shape. So 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. He can't move here because our queen is blocking him. So yeah. Um, and he can't capture our own pieces because that would be dumb. Um, so he can move here. The thing that is cool about the knight is he doesn't care about other pieces. He can just jump over this pawn and bishop and go here. Let me just move this piece, and then he jumps over these two, and then he's here. So yeah, and then bishop can move diagonally, but this is the dark square bishop, so he can only move on dark square tiles. So here and here, and he can move here and here, but the pawn is blocking him from moving here, so he can't move that direction. And same with the white, but I was dumb and put him in quite a bad place. So yeah. Then the horse and the bishop points, both were 3 points. So then we got the bishop. The bishop can move any direction. Any direction as far as it can go. So piece is blocking him here, so he can only move one space over here. So he would be able to move all the way to the end if there was no piece here. Same with this direction. He could move this direction, but it's the end of the board, so I don't know what you want me to do. Then we got the queen. Queen is the bishop and the rook combined. So queen can move up, diagonal, 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 any way the queen wants. So yeah, the queen is worth 9 points, so you don't want to lose that unless you're capturing another queen. So yeah, then we got the king. The king can move, is like the queen, but can only move one space, so pretty well, not like the queen. Yeah, so it can move one space only. So yeah, okay, and the queen's worth like infinite points because if it gets captured, the game's over. So infinite points right there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and peace.